àná yìí mọ́wọ́ ìjẹta ni ìròyìn kan jáde pé wọ́n ti arrest Berekete, wọ́n ti ṣe kinní kan, àwọn míì kan tiẹ̀ ló ti kú. Berekete ti padà finally ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Berekete ti sọ̀rọ̀ fúnra ẹ̀. Ó ga o. Ọlọ́run ló àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń gbérú mọ̀. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tí Berekete tú fúnra ẹ̀. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tó sọ. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Berekete gangan tó fi di pé ìròyìn ń lọ káàkiri pé wọ́n ti arrest Berekete, wọ́n ti ṣe kinní kan, míì ló ti kú. Kọ́lọ́ ń ṣàánú àwọn èèyàn wa. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni Berekete sọ gangan, ẹ̀yin èèyàn? Ẹja gbọ́n tí Berekete, ẹja gbọ́n tó sọ live and direct. O Berekete ò kú o, ó wà láyé o, kódà ó wà lálàáfíà. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ló sọ gangan? Ó ń rè.
I, the ordinary president, they talk to the world. First of all, make I start with the people wey happy say, I know they, and they hear say some, here say I dey for detention. Some here say I don't die. The talk start with, I dey detention. They arrest me, they detain me. Now it don't reach, I don't die. Even me, I see my obituary. They send the videos to me. Now, for those of una wey dey happy say I don't die, make una no rush now. I no go stay for this life forever. Me wey go soon die. Me wey dey pray make I die quick. The only thing be say nobody fit kill me before my time.
Yes, sir.
I no be those people where they believe in juju, where they believe in no. Anything will happen to me now as God want them.
Yes,
but you know, stop me from applying all the necessary precautionary measures where human beings supposed apply as human being, where God give the grace and wisdom to survive.
Yes, sir.
And for those who love me, this thing don't make me understand, say, people love me well, and they love us well, and they love waiting God they use us do.
Yes, my ordinary president.
The reason why I say make I start the program this morning now because many people, they genuinely concerned. If I enter live studio by myself like this, I go gist on a gist will happen.
Yes, sir.
But I dey tell una say, excuse me, as I dey talk now, I know they inside any detention facility.
Yes.
And this na my real voice, no be AI.
Yes,
no be
sir.
recording, no make I mention it. And I want make Nigerians make them rest their mind. Yes. But you see the truth, this truth where we they tell the power, the people who occupy leadership position. We no go stop. And me, I the ordinary president, whether una take me down. The one where they come, in fact the ones where they come, them many. Now me they hold them down, say make una cool down, make una take them easy. Nigeria na our country.
Yes, sir.
No matter how angry you are with your mother na your mother.
Yes.
No matter how angry you are with your father na your father.
Yes, sir.
If you borrow another person, papa, if you borrow another person, mama, but make I tell you, nature don't make am so you no fit enjoy am. If you no be am, you no be am. This speech where they make, they address the world, and many people don't call me to find out. As at the time when they call me, I did for one situation where I no fit answer call. Now I make I no answer them. So my apologies to all the people who genuinely show concern, because no be all the people where they talk say where it did they genuinely concerned say I know they some of them now just to confirm say he don't go. But I no agree go. I still did here.
Yes, sir.
Time don't reach. And even when I go, you see this thing when I start, many people don't learn and they sabi and pass me. Not just because I hold them for legs, say, hold on first. Now I make. And for this rumor, when I hear say they arrest me, now people where they close to them, we hear when then they plan, say they won't arrest me. Now then when they no see me, they can't conclude, say that thing where their organs they plan that day, say it don't happen. Now how this matter take leak out be that? I don't know whether I want to understand.
Yes, sir.
So I beg, fellow Nigerians, fellow Bereketarians, fellow Africans, fellow all of us, we get good heart. Make we know this now my voice, not be AI.
Yes.
This is the ordinary president.
Yes.